Hey there, this is Anna Malimon, and today I want to ask you, why does affiliate marketing not work? How is it that affiliate marketing does not work? Well, the reason it does not work is because it doesn't work for all people, and it doesn't work when you don't do it right, when you don't do it the right way, when you don't have a system in place, when you are just flashing any link that you get. For example, you sign up with Amazon and you are promoting some of their products, and you're using them and you like them and all that, and you provide your link in the description if you're doing YouTube videos or whatever else you may be doing, whatever else systems or funnels you may be creating, because that's what you were taught. And then you just use your naked link, or even if you have a covered link or something like that, you're still not doing affiliate marketing the way that's going to make you stand out and the way that is going to help you get sales or convert those sales into leads. So there's a specific program, specific system, a specific strategy that you would utilize for affiliate marketing in order to make it work. Because in all honesty, it works, and it works really good if you know how to work it, if you know how to use a proper system, and if you have a proper strategy in place. So if you don't have a proper system, if it doesn't seem to be working for you, then what you need to do is you need to go to eLifeBOSS.com, and on my resources page, click on the resources page, go through 7 steps to freedom. That will take you through amazing steps that will help you understand the whole concept of affiliate marketing and the right way of doing it. And also on the homepage of eLifeBOSS.com, if you go and check out, let me show you really quickly. If you go and check out the affiliate marketing masterclass, that's where you're going to learn the right way to do it. It's going to have the system and all that. Let me show you really quick. As a matter of fact, I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you, that way you don't have to wonder where it is. So here's my screen. Let's go. eLifeBOSS.com. As you are on this first page, if you scroll down just a little bit, you see right there, affiliate marketing masterclass. She's sharing gum with me. Thank you, sweetheart. I don't want it right now. Mama's got to talk. I cannot have gum right now. Anyways, go register your spot and go through that class. I guarantee you will learn a lot of amazing information. You will understand what strategy to use, what steps to take, and be you will be really, really glad that you were able to go through this. Because even if you don't use it today, right now, if you're not able to, start this, just make sure you have a pen and notepad and just write down a lot of notes, and then apply it in your business. Once you apply it, you will see results. And that's what you want in the end. You want to see results. A lot of people are not seeing results with affiliate marketing. Therefore, they're going to tell you, hey, it doesn't work. Affiliate marketing sucks and it doesn't work, and I'm making pennies. Well, you don't want to be making pennies or dollars. You want to be making hundreds and thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, and you want to be doing it the right way. You don't want to waste a lot of your time or other people's time. So go through that affiliate marketing masterclass, and you'll be really glad you did. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and stay awesome.